parachutes together to depict the valor of our national flag. They will also be carrying the Air Force flag on them. Ladies and gentlemen, now your attention is drawn towards the first trooper, Flight Lieutenant Geet Tyagi. Ladies and gentlemen, please be careful. The winds are very strong.
Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate that skydiving is an art of performing in the air, using the human body as a manifestation of the indomitable human spirit. The sport begins with a para-jumper carrying a back parachute strapped on his back, jumps out of an aircraft and begins to fall like a stone towards the earth. By spreading his body like an eagle, face down, the jumper falls at a steady speed of approximately 180 feet per second, which is often referred to as terminal velocity.
Ladies and gentlemen, the team is led by Wing Commander Vishal Rakesh. And now we have Flight Lieutenant Geet Tyagi proudly carrying the Air Force flag and coming in for landing right in front of you. He is so proud and we are so proud of him.
Awesome.